Introducing the latest addition to Ferrari's lineup, none other than the Ferrari Roma. Hold on tight. Brace yourselves as the Ferrari Roma transforms into a high-speed rocket once the turbocharger kicks in. Positioned in the GT category, the Roma's stunning lines, especially the gracefully contoured hood in a mesmerizing baby blue, showcase Ferrari's unparalleled design brilliance. From sleek LED lights to advanced features like front radar cruise control and a front camera, every detail adds to the Roma's distinctive charm. Rolling on Michelin tires, 245/35 mounted on 20-inch Ferrari rims, this car ensures a perfect blend of style and performance. The Roma boasts carbon ceramic brakes with a visually striking disc brake setup, matte black kit, electrically controlled mirrors, and concealed door handles add a touch of sophistication to the Roma's exterior. As we move to the rear, the wider stance and larger rear tires, 285 and 35 on 20-inch rims, contribute to the Roma's powerful aesthetic. The rear of the car presents a sleek and captivating appearance, a characteristic often found in GT cars. Despite being designated as a four-seater, practicality narrows down to accommodating only 2 passengers comfortably, owing to the limited space in the rear seats, suitable mainly for a modest amount of luggage. Elegant LED lights, devoid of unnecessary complexity, coupled with a glossy black piece adorned with the iconic Ferrari logo, complete the rear aesthetics. The automatic spoiler, adjusting at specific speeds and angles, showcases Ferrari's dedication to achieving optimal stability during various driving conditions. Balancing the daily drive with the spirit of a true Ferrari racing machine, the Roma stands out as a versatile GT. Ferrari's iconic logo graces the rear as we explore the spacious trunk, offering 345 liters of cargo capacity. The distinctive black diffuser, part of the car's kit, houses rear sensors and the exhaust system. While built on the Ferrari Portofino platform, the Roma introduces modifications to the exhaust system, enhancing emission control. Ferrari's attention to detail extends to the exhaust sound, utilizing reactive valves to provide an immersive driving experience with varying tones based on throttle input and driving mode. Although sharing the Ferrari Portofino platform, the Roma distinguishes itself with specific modifications, especially in the exhaust system. The steering wheel retains Ferrari's essence, featuring control buttons, signal indicators, and driving modes. Initiating the Roma is a tactile experience. A touch of the brake and a press of the engine start button, uniquely incorporated into the design, ignites the engine promptly. Introducing the launch control, L button, elevating the driving experience to a new level of controlled acceleration. 1, 2, 3. Experience the exhilarating moment as the turbos open up. Hold on tight. With the turbos engaged, the Roma accelerates like a rocket, delivering an awe-inspiring performance. Powering this incredible machine is an 8-cylinder twin-turbo engine, boasting 3.9 liters of capacity, 612 horsepower, and a torque of 761 Newton-meter. Managing the gears is a state-of-the-art 8-speed dual-clutch gearbox.